name is Goran Đukić. I'll present Novartis AG company. Novartis AG is a Swiss multinational group from companies like Alcon, which makes eye care products and 21% of group sales, Sandoz, which makes generic pharmaceuticals and 90% of group sales, and pharmaceutical division of Novartis, which is really important for a group and makes 62% of group sales. CFRI always been above 6% and above the discount rate, and it's been increasing to year 2010. Then it started to decline due to economic pressures and competition in the market. Sales growth been increasing to year 2010, then started to decline also due to competition, economic pressure, and especially strong Swiss franc. Asset growth also been increasing in 2010, then started to decline due to factors I mentioned, and especially due to all the investments the company is making just to emphasize on the core business. Operating margin being always about 20% and increasing. Stock been performing well compared to your index, and asset turns been always about 30%, but in the last few years all this pressure the company has, they started to decline. If you compare CFRI with the groups that with the peers, that company is slightly above median. They're very strong in operating margins among the peers, and that's something what they should really keep. And also they have problems with asset turns, or they're slightly lower than the median. If we use the flex model, we assume that if you use 5-year median numbers, we assume that the sales are going to grow at 2.2%, EBITDA is going to be at 30.1%, asset turn is going to be 0.33, and that makes a 22% upside, or according to the price at 114.09 Swiss franc. And this assumption seems very realistic to me, as the company has several patents which will be on the market in a few years and make a lot of profit for a company. My summary is that one should buy Novartis and use it as a neutral strategy. And also I really like this Holt model, worth and price, which is 109.85, and that's something what also other Bloomberg analysts are estimating, and that makes 70% upside. And P/E ratio is slightly below the regional industry, what doesn't make company overvalued. Thank you for attention.